Hello everyone, my name is Amar Gurav. I am from Osmanabad but currently live in Pune, and I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University in 2023. As per the, I start my career as in Evision Technology Private Limited as a internship, and this organization is a goal-oriented organization. Here I am learning new skills like CCNA, Windows administration, IITL, and basic of cyber security, virtualization. Here I complete my internship, and I have received calls from Evision Technology Private Limited, and I got a placement in 3 Infotech. I am very happy, and thank you team, give me support, and thank you teachers. Especially thank for Anamika and Priya and Prashanjit sir. Thank you team, giving me support and your wishes.